Hi guys, I'm Emmanuel Editor-in-Chief of Multihulls World, and we are in Miami International Boat Show 23. Let's go.
Hi, I'm Yvan Eymieu. I'm looking after the international distribution for Aquila Power Catamarans. Today is the first day of the Miami Boat Show, and we are launching our new model, the Aquila 42.
Hello, welcome Emmanuel to our Leopard display here at Museum Park Marina, and we have here the new Leopard 40 Power Cat. This is a world premiere. Please come on board and take a look at our new boat.
Multihull World, it's Thibaut de Montvalon from Catamarans. I'm here with Emmanuel from Multihull World, and we're here in Miami at the boat show, celebrating, having a great time, selling some boats of course, and we look forward to seeing you on our XS booth. See you soon!
I'm happy to welcome you on the Tech booth in Miami Boat Show. This year we will display our new 44 Open, and we hope we will see you this week to make you discover the boat and enjoy this beautiful and sunny Miami Boat Show. I'm Laurie, Viala, the communication manager of Lagoon, and we are here in Miami. We are exhibiting our Catamarans and our new boat, the Lagoon 51. So come to join us and visit the boat. And it was recently nominated to the Multihull of the Year election, so we are really happy. Come to join us.